Hi everyone, Eugene here at Panasonic, and in this quick video tutorial I want to show you how you can customize the function switch on the LUMIX L10 camera. So the function switch, I'm just going to quickly show you and remind you what this is, but you can see it here on top of the lens. We have an option to switch between the off position on the switch and 3 other options. And what the camera allows us to do is go into the menu and assign a function to that switch and then the subsequent setting that is related to that function. So let's jump back into the menu so I can show you how you can do that. It's going to turn on the camera, go into the menu, and then just to show you how you can get here. So from the main screen, go down to the cogs settings, then go to the right again until you see FN switch setting. Select that, and you're going to have 4 options to go through. The first one allows us to assign the function that we want to that function switch. So right now, by default, you can see it's selected and set to aspect ratio. So let's just demonstrate how this currently works, and then we'll go through the others and see what they do. So right now, I am on the default option, which is off. Then, hopefully you were able to see how that went to a 1:1 aspect ratio. Select that again, it went to 16:9. Go to number 3 to 3:2. And then if I take it all the way back, we're back to the default setting of the mode that we're in. So let's say I want to switch that to a different option. I can go back, function switch setting, select that. Besides the aspect ratio, we have step zoom. And this is actually really cool because what this allows you to do, especially if you're doing street photography, you may be used to specific focal lengths or different lenses with specific focal lengths that you want to use. So by assigning that, you can then assign a specific focal length to each of the 3 positions. So let's say the first one could be a 24, maybe the second one should be a 35, and then the last one should be a 70, which is a classic pair of lenses that you would normally have for street photography. Let's come out of the menu again, and then see what happens if I start using that. So this is number 1. I'm already on 24, so nothing happened. Let's go to number 2. You'll see the camera started zooming in until the 35mm mark, and then on 3, all the way to 70. Of course, you can go a little bit higher than that if you want to go over to the digital zoom, but for now we want to stay within the optical range. Go back to the menu and let's have another look at what other options we have here. The next one, actually the next 2 are also really nice because what you can do with them, you have the photo style and the real-time LUT, and you can assign a specific photo style or LUT to each of the 3 options. So if you wanted to, you could do like a black and white, you could do like a monochrome, and then you can do a highly saturated version, right? It's the same with the real-time LUTs. So if we have a look back here, go to photo style, and then you can go and select the different ones that you desire for every single one of the options. And hopefully by now you get an understanding of how this works. The last option that you can select here is detecting subject. And if we go here, you can actually select the different values. So the first one, of course, we have here human urban sports. Let's say I'd like that to actually be human eye face detect. The second one, I don't really shoot cars, but I do shoot pets. So I can go, we have animal here for body, and we also have the eye body. So I'll just do this animal body. And then the last one, let's say I'd like to do this one. Let's do a motorcycle here and select that one. So now every time I switch between one of those 3 options there, it will automatically go there. So again, lots of flexibility, lots of different options and combinations you can use and customize the camera and set it up exactly for what you want it to do for your needs. So hopefully this helps. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.